on YouTube? Friday. I've been on the road since 4:30. Right now it's about 7 change, actually 8 o'clock. On the way to Charleston Auto Auction, also known as America's Auto Auction Charleston. Friday location, pretty laid back vibe. You know, the traffic isn't too bad. Taking I-20 out of Atlanta through Augusta, then getting off and bypassing Columbia, going through Wagner, Nessus, and Orangeburg. Some small towns, some farm areas, friendly people. Then I get back on I-26 toward Charleston. Sale is actually in Moss Corner. You know, like I said, laid back vibe. You know, end of the week, inventory usually is about 450 your lowest to about 600 cars average. And you know, 6-lane sale, I work in lane 6. We have dealer trades, new car stores, repos, bank finance, all kind of accounts and different variety to choose from. Hanging out here sometimes you get, you know, enjoy the city. You get some beach town, so definitely some fun times to have out here on the weekend if you have to stay the night after or the night before. But I can't get here the night before because I'm coming from Memphis, unless I have my own airplane, which I really plan on getting sometime in the future. Hopefully soon. Hopefully sooner than later. I've been working the sale since 2020. I started as a relief man, a backup ringman, and part-time pretty much, just filling in when somebody's on vacation or sick. And now I am a primary in lane 6. Familiar with the guys. I've been working with the guys in South Carolina since 2019. I got my first full-time gig at Carolina Auto Auction. That's a Wednesday sale over there off of 85 in the city of Anderson, pretty much close to Clemson. Cool people out there too as well. Fun sale. I believe it's an 8-lane sale. They usually do about 1,000 cars or more. And, you know, fun times over there as well. And although this is more of a chill vibe type of day, this is honestly the day that I struggle with, only because I get up at 4 o'clock, and I drive here, work, you know, do my couple hours of work, and then drive back. It's usually because of that drive, going and working and coming back. On the way back, I got to pull over and take me a nap. My old behind. Loving the journey, loving the industry, the passion that I have for the auctions and auctioneer career. I just love doing it. Like I said, I wouldn't trade it for anything. So happy to have another sale, another opportunity to sell, and gonna have a great day. I'm gonna show you some stuff on the lot when we get there, and maybe introduce you to a few of the folks. All right, hang along, come for the ride. Let's go. Got the EV Hummer this morning. It's got the full back on it too. I did want to get that grill lightened up.
The cleaner comes with the car.
This got that crab crawl steering thing and all that, don't it?
Cool.
Nice. Yes, sir. Can you power it up so I can get that grill lighting up? If you don't mind. Nice. Look at that thing. Yes, sir. Just a quick preview of my lane. Some of the cars we're gonna have here today. We'll have about 104 to 115 if that number changes, if we get more, but right now it's at least 104. Got an A6. Looks neat. It's probably got a buffer paint the hood. Better yet, paint. Got a little burnt mark right there. They tried to buff it already. Nice Yukon. Of course, expect this to be really nice inside, of course. Leveled up with the panoramic roof, quad seats in it. Beautiful, smells brand new still. 5,000 miles on it, 23 model. This Audi 2013 with 140,000 miles. Even stuff like this little Jeep Patriot 4x4. Smells decent inside. Just gotta clean up the seats, but You know, little stuff like this, little cosmetic issues, but something for everybody. And we have some fleet options right here. Work trucks. So you got your rubber mat inside, single cab, long bed, plain Jane white work truck. This pollen is kicking my ass. Allergies kicking my ass this season, I'm telling you. Some more work trucks. X3, 67,000 miles, 21 model. Peanut butter inside. Of course, the panel roof. And we even got a Stinger over here. Let's check out the Stinger real quick. All-wheel drive, 2018 model, just at 90,000 miles. Morning, how you doing? Look at that, burgundy inside. Lanes 1 and 2 are doing the happy hour sales. In-ops in lane 2. And we got some government units running in lane 1. We even got fun stuff like some golf carts too. Look at this. I need to be buying this thing right here. Go Dogs. Look at this thing. Yes, sir. Go Dogs. You got a Carolina out golf cart.
Let's go.
Oh yeah.
You'll like this dog, baby. You'll love this truck. Brothers, great pose. Green light, time to go. Green light, time to go. 1980. Let's go. 2 15. Get the ball. 62, 4, 6, 8, 8, 7, 8, 9, 600 only. Let's go, Dean. 600 only. 800 only. 800 only. 18 pounds. 200
All right, y'all got to see a little bit of what the auction is like over there in Charleston. Small sale, we had like right above 500 cars today, but we had a really good percentage on the sale today. And yeah, so appreciate y'all watching. I'm gonna do my best to keep on bringing y'all more content, the best content that I can. And in order for me to keep on bringing you the best content possible, hit a like, drop a comment, and please subscribe. Leave me some feedback on what you like, what you didn't like, what you want to see some more of. And please, if you can, share the video. Share the video. I really appreciate it. For now, traffic is built up on I-20, so I hit my favorite rest area, and I'm about to take me a power nap. Until then, see y'all on the next video. Y'all have a good one now.